Hi guys, today I made a Korean style roast chicken, a spicy one. You can eat with rice like this together. So the ingredient gonna be spring onion, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar. I replaced that sugary, and gochujang, and chili pepper powder, and tomato ketchups, and crushed garlic, and chicken legs. So let's make a sauce first. Firstly, crushed garlic. I used 2 of this block. I got it from Oyster. 2 blocks. Cut the spring onions. 3 spoons of soy sauce. And 4 spoons of the sugar. 1 spoon of the oyster sauce. And 1 spoon of the ketchup. And 2 spoons of the pepper powder. Gochujang, 2 spoons. 1. 2 spoons. So that's it, and then mix it well. Of course, the garlic have to be melted. Okay, I washed with the water, and then now I'm gonna make some scratch for the consume the spice more, just like this, and put in the sauce bowl. Now mix it well. When mixing is done, you have to wait about more than 30 minutes. Waited about 30 minutes, and I started to preheat the air fryer. Yes, I put chicken in the air fryer. Now it's already preheated, and let's roast it for 190 degrees for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, flip it, and again the 10 minutes again. Yay, it's done, and let's put it in plate. Yay, it's done. Bye bye, enjoy.